I'm Sounder and we'll now be viewing the dashboard I created for data visualization. For the data, we'll be using a 9-row pseudo data of an airlines, which comprises of airlines miles, ticket price, and duration of flight. The dashboard was created using Plotly Dash, which runs in the background. So let's get going. I'll just now reinitiate the API for the server, which will run the dashboard locally from my system. Okay, it's online now. So let me just navigate to that. This is the dashboard. Has some cool interactive features, like you can play around with the graphs. You can select which data must be displayed and which not to be. For example, if you don't want the neutral to be displayed, just you want the ratios for the positive and negative. Voila. And I did a bit of sentiment analysis by scrapping data from the Twitter. This happens in real time. And the graph, this is the stock market graph, and this is also dynamic and in real time. This is the Google data. Thank you.